Alright, this is part 2. Part 1 cut off. Sorry about that. So this is part 2. This is the ps3 Hardened edition. So yeah, see what you get inside. There's a code, don't show it to them. Got some nice packaging. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Wow. So, what is that? See? Let's pull this out too. So that is your basic box. Epic looking box. Let's keep it inside. So you get that coin, and that's the back. Show the whole thing. And you get the other coin. Nothing really special, just a coin. And you get the game. It's a metal foil case. So yeah, alright. Everything's like the same, right? Then just pull that out. Yeah. So you get some manual thing, and you get the instruction manual and the game itself with the awesome background. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, and that is it.